Hello everybody, John Sewell here from Florida Auction Network LLC out of Panama City, Florida. We are over here in Leon County today. Leon County's got two of these asphalt trucks they're wanting us to put in auctiontime.com. They're going to end on November the 5th. This is the 2012 model. There's also a 2013. This 2012 has 155,977 miles on it. Fully operational machine. Electric and propane for the heating for this Pro Batcher. Fully operational, guys. There's a video of the tamp lift coming up and down. I say this unit was just taken out of service because it was replaced with a new one. The fully operational machine ready to go to work for you. Automatic transmission, 6.7 Cummins engine. Very nice, clean truck. Walk all the way around and I'll shoot a separate video of what's going on inside.